Check your fucking mirror next time, boy. And put your fucking blinker on, dumb piece of shit, before you fucking cross. And if I had more than 3 hours sleep, I'd pop a wheelie right now. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. If I had more than 3 hours sleep, I'd be popping a wheelie down. That G63 for a car that size and that weight, he was gone. You how much my heart is racing out of excitement now, because I know it's a little bit of open stretch up ahead. Like oh man, just having a peek out behind and ahead, making sure there's no cars, police cars should I say. I was given words of wisdom by police officers once that told me, if you ever want to do something like that, just check your mirrors. So I do. Started to fly off my freaking head. wind started going through my jacket up into my helmet, and my helmet just wanted to lift off my head. I was like, nope, I had to slow down. And this is why I love this bike. Like, look at it, just so smooth, quiet, even with this exhaust. And then if I ever need to just, jeez, you have no idea how blurry things get in your mirror until one, you get a fast bike, and two, and this is probably more important than the fast part, getting a V-twin. Fucking nothing vibrates. Like my Z800's mirrors, I can go rev as high, low, speed, whatever, smooth mirrors. And the second I twist the throttle on this, everything becomes blurry in the mirrors. So the 50 mile an hour average speed check was pointed like half a mile ago, and they're still showing signs to say that it's 50 miles an hour, but the actual camera isn't up until that bridge ahead of us. That's when it gets to 50. Just when I'm getting off. Oh man. No, please.